What's up everyone, Alessandro is back with another video about Memeclip, this new meme coin play-to-earn project that is upcoming, and I'm gonna tell you how to buy and stake your coins right now if you're buying the coins with me, guys, because this new project, this new play-to-earn crypto project is right now in the pre-market phase, and of course we can invest right now. If you want to buy into this coin, guys, the link is right here in the video description for Memeclip. I'm gonna put the link right at the top, and of course this is one of the best upcoming play-to-earn projects right now. They have already a game out and more to come as well, and I'm gonna show you in this video again how to stake your coins, because staking is enabled now and the API is of course extremely high, because they have of course a limited supply, but also a lot of coins are reserved for rewards of gaming and of course also for the staking rewards. And this is exactly what we're gonna cover today, guys. So welcome everyone, make sure to be subscribed on this channel. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just here to entertain you. All those projects and cryptos out there are of course high risk but also high returns if they're going to be successful. So remember, guys, this is all no financial advice, this is only my own opinions what we are covering in this video, and also my own price predictions and everything that I'm buying and selling here in the crypto space. I'm always sharing that with you since 2017, guys. And now let's dive here straight into Memeclip, because Memeclip has already out their first game called Subway Meme Rush. You can already play the game, download it and earn coins. The coins in the game are still locked, and of course here on the website as well. We can buy and stake them of course directly, but they are locked here on the website. And once we can claim the coin, so once this project is going live and the coin is dropping on exchanges and dexes, then of course I will update you. So be subscribed here, and then of course we can trade the coins. But until then, we can only buy and stake the coins and keep it here on the website. They are locked here until the project is coming out, and of course until the coin is launching. The next game that will be upcoming is Pepe's Pool Party. So I'm looking forward also for that, and of course also for future games that are already announced here on this project. So here we have already a coin with a utility, and also we can play and earn the coins or buy directly here. Since I don't have so much time to play the games, even though I would love to play those games, currently I'm just buying into those new upcoming coins, because yeah, now we are in a bull run, and of course then it's also good to spend some time in trading Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana and so on, and of course also investing into new coins. And this one, Memeclip, just entered into stage 2, so the price has slightly increased here of the pre-market phase, and we can still of course purchase the coins here. So I'm gonna disconnect here from the website, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to get access to the coins and also how to stake them. So first of all, click the link in the video description right at the top, so you end up here on their official website, and then of course you can click here on the dashboard, connect wallet. Over 500 wallets are supported. I usually like to use MetaMask in those cases, so just click here MetaMask or whatever DeFi wallet that you have, and then connect to the website. So now we can interact here with the website. We can choose the network, how to invest into this coin and so on. I'm usually using Ethereum, and then of course we can select different coins on this blockchain, for example Ethereum, USDT or USDC, and then we can put here the amount of coins that we would like to buy, and then buy the token or buy and stake directly. If you go here to the staking rewards, because once you have done the transaction, so once you bought the coins, you're gonna see here you purchase coins right here that you bought, and you can buy with staking or without straight away. Even if we are buying without staking, if you go here to the staking tab, you can afterwards also put your coins into staking. So here you just click stake, and then you put the amount of coins that you would like to stake. You don't have to stake every of those coins, it's up to you of course. Also remember that there is always a lockup period of 7 days after launch, so keep that in mind of your staked coins, not the ones that you're not staking and not the rewards. They are immediately claimable at launch, but we can here choose how much we want to stake, and I'm gonna put now everything into staking. So I click here max and then stake, and there should be then a transaction upcoming here. As you can see, Memeclip staked successfully. Then we're gonna refresh here, because after a while you should be seeing then your coins here. They switch now from available to stake into staked balance. And now you can see, thanks to this very high API, that your current rewards are going up rapidly. So that means that at launch we're gonna have much more coins than we are purchasing right now. So if the coin is coming out, and if the price is at least the one that we are buying here during the pre-market phase, which usually is cheaper of course, and at launch it's gonna pump, or it's just coming out and at the same price and so on, we're gonna have a multiple of our purchased coins because of our staked balance. this is the magic about being early into those new projects. Of course, you're running into much higher risks, but like that, of course, we can accumulate more and more coins. And you can every now and then tune in here and refresh the website, because as you can see, thanks to the very high stake reward that we're getting right now, since this project is so early stage, we can of course accumulate a lot of coins every few seconds and minutes. Every time we refresh here, you're going to see the coins going up. And by the time this one will come out, of course, we're going to have much more coins than we are purchasing. And this is how we can of course accumulate more and more coins. A lot are reserved for the staking rewards, and then of course at launch take profit. So that's why, guys, I like this new Memeclip coin, and also the project itself. They are bringing out games, and also they have this Play2Earn token. Also in different crypto websites, it is one of the most hyped and anticipated new Play2Earn game project. Of course, they are bringing out games continually. Basically, it's not just one game that they're bringing out. They have different projects and different games that they're coming out. Always there you can earn the same token, and of course you can also buy and stake it directly here on the website. So choose what you want to do, but Memeclip, I'm very bullish, and I'm definitely in this new Play2Earn game. Alright, guys, that's it for now. Let's see what this one will do. At least for now, I keep you updated, of course, and we can buy and stake those coins and then see what happens at launch. And this is only possible because this is really in the very early stage. Of course, you're running into a much higher risks, but I like whenever a new coin is hyped on different crypto websites, whenever they pass the different audits, like Solid Proof here, they have this third-party audit already done. They have games that are coming out. They have already one project that is already out there, and so on. So this is what I like, and that's why I'm bullish for this one here as well. We just have to wait then for the launch, and keep you updated, of course, on this project as well. Alright, guys, that's it for Memeclip for now. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, be subscribed, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye for now.